Hello friends, today I am going to discuss a regression analysis, that is the concept of regression analysis and real life applications of regression analysis. So we are very familiar with the regression analysis. So what is regression analysis? In regression analysis there are two variables, one is dependent variable and another one is independent variable. So the objective of regression analysis is to establish if there is relationship between two variables. More specifically, establish if there is a statistically significant relationship between two variables. For an example, suppose we consider income and investment. So we know that the income of a people the investment done by a people depends on income. So here the income is independent variable and the investment is the dependent variable. So using regression analysis we can establish the relationship between the income and investment of a people. Another one example is student study hours and exam score. So here we know that the exam score is a dependent variable and study hours is an independent variable. So by observing the study hours of a student, we can establish the relationship between the exam score and study hours. Another one application of regression analysis, forecast new observations. That is, by knowing the values of independent variable, we can predict or we can forecast the unknown value of the dependent variable is the main application of regression analysis. That is, suppose we consider the example height and weight. So we know that height of a person is a independent variable and weight of a person is a dependent variable. That is, weight of a person is dependent on height. So by knowing the value of the heights of a people, we can establish or we can obtain a regression model that can give the weight of a person by using that regression model. So this is the main objectives of a regression analysis. Now, as I discussed, in regression analysis there are two types of variable. One is a dependent variable and another one is a independent variable. So what is dependent variable? So this is the variable whose values we want to forecast. So its value depends on something else. That's why it is known as a dependent variable. So it is also known as a response variable and it is denoted by y. Another one example is a independent. Another one variable is a independent variable. This is the variable that explains other. Its values are independent. That's why it is known as a independent variable. It is also known as a predictor and it is denoted by x. So now we see some real life applications of regression models. So the first example is regression models can be used to predict the sales of a product in the future based on past buying. So here sale of a product is a dependent variable and past buying is independent variable. So by observing the past buying data we can predict or we can forecast sale of a product. So this is one example. Another one example is predict economic growth. So regression models can be used to predict the economic growth of a country or a state by considering various aspects like agriculture, IT industries and many more factors. So we can see regression models are very important in real life. Next example is score prediction. So how regression analysis can be used in score prediction? So it can be used to predict the number of runs or goals of a player would score in the coming matches based on the previous performance. So regression analysis can be used in sports analysis also. Also it can be used in salary estimation. So an organization can be used linear regression to figure out how much they would pay to a new joinee based on year of experience. That is, here year of experience is an independent variable and how much a company pay to a new joinee is a dependent variable. Now another one example is house price prediction. So linear regression analysis can be help to build predict how much houses it will sell in the coming months at odd price. Another one example is oil price prediction. So petroleum prices can be predicted using linear regression by considering various predictors. So these are the some real life applications of regression models. There are many more applications of regression model. So basically, by knowing the known values of the independent variable, we can predict or we can forecast the unknown value of the dependent variable is the main application of regression analysis. So regression analysis can be used in various sectors to forecast or to predict the values of dependent variable. So these are the some real life applications. In next session we will see the concept of regression analysis, the basic concept of regression analysis. Thank you.